What's up, guys? This is Jake. Today I'm doing a review on the Neewer 2-pack 6600 ion replacement batteries. Now, I specifically use these for my Neewer LED lights. You can see, in fact, it's the light coming in from over here. This is, you'll see this one's still in the wrapping, obviously. This is my 4th order of these. I had 2 already that I use in both of my main LED panel lights, and I figured it'd be good to have 2 more packs of these that I can keep in different locations. It just makes it a little bit easier for me, and I figured while I was opening this up, I might as well do a review so you guys can kind of see what you're going to get in this packaging. So you can see here is the charging station, right? Nice and simple, where both your batteries are going to go in. Then you have your nice USB cable right here that you are going to plug in to the back right here. And then you have the batteries themselves right here. So I've used these batteries now. Again, I used the other 2 for probably, I think we're on 3 years. I figured it was just time to get a couple extra ones. I haven't had any issues with the ones I have. It's just always nice to have a little bit of extra in case you misplace a battery, or just to have it at a different location, or for whatever reason. I always think it's a good idea just to have some extra batteries. So highly recommend these batteries from Neewer. They've worked really well for me, and I'm sure they will for you as well.